Hi, I'm Sarah from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create the Festive Tags Kit. Make handmade tags in minutes for one of the busiest times of the year. In this kit, you'll receive supplies to create 15 holiday tags to use this gift-giving season. I'm going to leave these finished tags on the table as a point of reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. And don't forget to refer to your printed step-by-step instructions. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. Now, I like to sort my projects before I get started. That way I know which parts and pieces go with each project. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. These tags are simple and easy to assemble, and great for beginners because of the pre-cut shapes and sentiments. And bonus, these tags will add a little wow to your gift giving without a lot of fuss. And you get all the credit. As we make these projects, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause and rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. Look at these cute tags. Now, our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity are what make them special. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from. Just go to our online store to see the full selection. Click Shop Products and then Kids Collection to choose your next creative experience. I'm excited to add these tags to my neighbor gifts this holiday season. Until next time, enjoy!